Jai Bharat, my dear student.
Jai Bharat, ma'am.
You are welcome to Spellwell program.
Thank you, ma'am.
Myself, I am Sravanti. I am working in this institution as a science teacher. What about yourself?
Myself, B. Harshavardhan from 4th class, studying Sri Saraswati Vidyaniketan. My father name is B. Sayana. He is a teacher. My mother name is Sumalata. He is a home worker.
Okay, are you ready to Spellwell program?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All the best for your competition. Okay. Well, your first word is behavior.
Behavior.
Okay. Adjective.
Adjective.
Okay. Crocodile.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Good. Emperor.
Emperor.
Very good. Excellent.
Excellent.
Journey.
Journey.
Then honesty.
Honesty.
Good. Disappeared.
Disappeared.
Okay. Description.
Description.
Inspection.
Inspection.
Okay. Conclusion.
Conclusion.
Sorry. Discuss.
Discuss.
Good. Favorite.
Favorite.
Okay. Then your GK questions are: what is our state name?
Telangana.
Now, how do we get solar energy?
Sun.
Okay. What is our state flower?
Tangedu.
On which festival we play with colors?
Holi.
What is our state bird?
Palapitta.
Good. How did you feel about this program?
Felt very happy.
Good.
Thank